not too long ago, probably about a year ago, I did a video on this seat. We had just gotten it, and I went through some of the stuff I like about it. Now, here's another thing I like about it. This is safe wash fabric through them, so you can pop this entire thing off, throw it in the wash, and have a clean car seat. And it's relatively easy to do. I do it every couple of months or as needed. Right now it's definitely needed because we go to school, so we have after school snacks and stuff, so it's pretty grimy right now. So let me show you how to pop it off. You use the Click Tight to open it, and for under here there's these little straps. This holds the seat portion in place, and you just kind of pop it off of these ones. And then you can also unstrap the harness portion with that, but I don't really need to do that. And then you can get under here and get everything out. You want to, there's some more hooks on this side. My 5-year-old is a lovely kiddo. So there's no hooks on this one except for these little straps, and these little straps go here. So they just kind of hook on into place for right there. After you've done that, you can kind of just push it back down. We've got some pretzels and some Skittles, it looks like. Now, back here, it's Velcro. That portion is Velcro on both sides. So you do the Velcro. And then you do Velcro on both of these guys. So you can take the belt, the harness out, and then this one, that one goes over, this one comes out with that. It's kind of, then these are Velcro. These guys are Velcro, so you can kind of just, I'm gonna loop that right now. These just kind of, this one just kind of pulls off, like here, and then you can kind of turn it and show you. So this one has a little strap there. It just comes right off. And this one, we have this. And then there is, I believe, okay. This one does have, this one has, you can kind of see it in there. There's a little strap right in there, which as soon as I pull this over, it should just kind of come free with what. So there are little straps right here. So we're gonna unhook both of those on each side. Be very careful not to break this. If you do break this, call them up, and they have replacements that you can purchase. We've broken those before on car seats, and some you can't replace. So this one you just kind of like so, and then you are done with it. You're done pulling everything off. So what I do is I shop vac everything these straps are not safe to submerge in water. So I would just take a damp rag and get off whatever I can. If they're really, really bad, you can replace these. You can pay to replace all of them. You just have to call up Britax. So you give them your model and then also the individual serial number for this car seat. But you go through and you can kind of, I thought that was gross, but that's my rug. I thought it was food. But you can kind of go through everything and clean it all off. Shop vacs work very well, or any kind of vacuum thing, but especially for little ones that have earrings, I've found before, like earring backs or little jewelries, like there's a little hair tie type thing. So look in here before you throw it in the wash, because sometimes things that you've been missing are there. So I hope this is helpful. With these, I usually hang dry them and I wash them according to whatever is on the label. I can't remember what is on the label. But then I use a gentle detergent. So I'm going to use Tide Free and Clear on it. And that is that.